Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top of the screen to bring down your toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of them. Next, we're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is visible on the first page right over here. So once you see yours, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize the mode. So I recommend going over all of these options and changing them to fit your needs. I'm only going to talk about two, which define just kind of how the mode functions, or for how long I guess. And that would be the schedule mode. And here you can just select a fully automatic schedule, select day of the week and start and end time, and you can have multiple running at the same time. And if you're planning to use one or multiple, just make sure that they are toggled on in here, and that's all you would need to do. For everyone else that wants to use Do Not Disturb mode manually on just random occasions, I recommend doubling in the duration for a quick settings option. And here you can change what happens when you press on the toggle manually. By default, that was a tongue twister. By default, it is set to until you turn it off yourself, which means that if you forget about it, it's just going to run indefinitely in the background. But you do have the option to enable it, for instance, on a timer. And I'm going to make it something like 3 hours, which I feel is long enough to cover any kind of needs, plus just maybe a little bit of time extra if I forget to disable it. And obviously, if I remember about it, I can turn it off and this will disable the timer, but if I forget about it, after 3 hours as it's set right now, it will automatically turn itself off. So pretty handy option. And once everything is set, find the toggle once again and just simply tap on it. And that's it. And you can also tap on it again to turn it off if you want to. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.